Consider the limit as x goes to minus 2 of the fraction 2 plus x over the quantity square root of 12 plus x square minus 4. In order to simplify the radical term, we need to use the conjugate expression. Therefore, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of square root of 12 plus x square minus 4, which is square root of 12 plus x square plus 4. It is clear that we have to expand and simplify the whole expression using basic algebraic techniques. The problem becomes, limit as x goes to minus 2 of the quantity 8 plus 4x plus 2 plus x times the square root of 12 plus x square over the quantity minus 4 plus x square. It comes that we factorize the numerator and denominator in order to find a potential common factor, then simplify the common factor. Therefore, when we plug minus 2 in the new expression, we find out that the limit is 8 over minus 4.